good vibe and good life. I'm daily reading one chapter for improving my reading skill and communication skill and focusing skill on my, and also I'm vocal facing the vocal issue, so I'm improving the vocal issue. So now I'm going for the reading. I finished the chapter is handling negative people. I already finished the handling the negative people, and I'm going for the let your good vibes. So today's topic today's topic is let your good vibes protect you. Some negative people are allergic to positivity. Be so positivity that they can't stay being near you. I'm so sorry. Wait for the now start. After I committed myself to living life in a more optimistic manner, I gave up my unhealthy habits and embraced positivity as often as I could. I then began noticing that some of the people I associated with didn't like this. They preferred my old behavior. They wanted me to complain and to be aggressive and judgmental. It was as if my attitude was too positive for them. Some people labeled me as fake. I could understand why. I had gone from someone who complained a lot to someone who made me conscious effort to see the good in things. I had taken myself to different frequency from them emotionally. The further you are emotionally from another person, the less real you appear to them. This is based on the law of vibration. This distance can make both individuals feel uncomfortable around one another because you just don't vibe together. Sometimes this is a great indicator of whom you need to keep your distance from. What was apparent from my new positive behavior was that it was pushing certain people away. When people were rude to me, I started reacting kindly to them. I did not show up I did not show up to the battle they were preparing for. This repelled them because they didn't have an answer for my response to their rudeness. This was a great because those people were the ones on a much lower frequency than I was, but who had no interest in raising theirs. They were too comfortable in their cynical ways. Our energies were incompatible, and they shrank from my field of existence. I didn't need to distance myself from them because they had done the job for me. And the next chapter is Dare to Leave a Toxic Job. Believe it or not, your purpose is not to be in a job you dislike for the rest of your life. If you know, if you knew that a certain alley notorious as a murder site, you had choose to avoid it. You had know that by walking through it, you had risked something terrible happening to you, regardless of your state of mind. Thank you so much.